Symptoms that appear 3 hours before a heart attack. Renowned cardiologist Professor Chokkalingam. According to renowned cardiologist Professor Chokkalingam, if someone is suspected of having a heart attack, he should not be allowed to walk, should not be allowed to climb or descend stairs, should not go to the hospital in an auto. If any of these happens, it will be difficult for the patient to survive. Our brain is the organ that can sense a heart attack 3 hours in advance. Even if there are minor disturbances in our body's activities, the brain immediately alerts us. Diabetics find it difficult to experience this caution. If a man or woman is seen falling by mistake at any wedding, in public places or at home, we should immediately pay attention to them. But they may say that nothing happened to them. I am fine. We should also not leave it easily as something trivial. When we see the warning signal from the brain, we should tell them to STR to clearly understand their health. STR means smile, telling them to smile. Talk, telling them to talk. Raise both hands, telling them to raise both hands. We should tell them to do such activities. They should do these 3 correctly. Even if they don't do any of these correctly, the problem is big. Immediate hospitalization can prevent death. Doctors say that if this symptom is recognized and brought to the hospital within 3 hours, most of the loss of life can be prevented. A recent medical study says that if they do these 3 well and correctly, an important step should be taken to further confirm. They should be asked to stick out their tongue. If they stick out their tongue straight, they can be considered normal and healthy. If they do not stick it straight out, that is, if it is tilted to the right or left, they may have an attack any time within the next 3 hours. We request everyone who reads this to spread awareness to everyone with a humanitarian attitude, regardless of caste or creed. According to medical statistics, 10% of deaths can be prevented by spreading this to everyone. Save your fellow human beings and awaken humanity.